Here I've got VERNEE Thor Plus, and let me show you how to change date and time on the following device. So at first, let's open a list of all applications, then find and pick the settings. Now scroll down and go to date and time, which is the first tab under the system. And now you can either pick automatic date and time, so it can be network provided time or GPS provided time, or you can switch it off and then set the date and also time manually by yourself. You can also switch off automatic time zone, simply tap on this switcher, and now you can select the one that you would like to have, for example this one. And finally you can change the format of your clock, so you can either have 12-hour format clock or you can activate 24-hour format clock. And that would be all. If you would like to go back to default settings, simply tap on those switchers and here change the date and time to network provided one. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.